Hey, good afternoon, guys. This is Bryce with Realtor Solutions, and I wanted to come here today and kind of discuss our new service that we're offering now. I know most of y'all do know that, especially if you're clients of ours, if you've reached out to us, we do irrigation service calls. And what we've decided to do on a level for our existing clients, and even with some of you out there that may not do business with us, we are going to be offering a monthly irrigation service special, basically going on where we will bill you basically per month. And then we'll come out 8 months through the year, and we'll come out starting basically in the spring. We'll go ahead and start the system up, get everything, make sure all our heads are checked, everything's running properly. And of course, we'll come out once a month, all the way through the summer season, all the way into the new year around October, November, and then of course we'll come back the final time and we'll shut everything down and get everything kind of shut off for the winter time. And the good thing about this service is we're going to be coming around more often. It's going to save you the trouble of wondering or not if your system's running or waiting to see a big puddle of water in the yard or on the driveway. And our technician will go through the system. He'll run through every head, make sure all the heads are still spraying properly. He'll adjust time on the run time, especially when we get this warmer weather, when everything needs more water than usual. And it'll basically save you the trouble of having to worry about, is my system up and running properly, or is my system turned on, my system running for as long as it should. You don't have to worry about those. We'll take care of that stuff for you. So basically that little special is pretty reasonable price. What we've done, we took basically a service call and kind of broke those things up over so many visits and divided that by 12 months. And I've also included in that price is going to be up to 3 heads a year replacement. And what that means is if we come out and we need to replace the irrigation head, whether it's a spray head or a PGP out in the yard, we'll do that with no extra charge, up to 3 heads. And then after the 3 heads, then of course we'll need to charge you per head we use. Now if we do need to do any repairs while we're out in your yard each month, then what we'll do is we'll notify you and let you know what we need to fix, whether it's over the 3 heads that you're allowed or rusted pipe or anything like that. It's basically what we're doing is kind of saving you the trouble of having to worry about, was my system running or not. So if this is something you're interested in, you'd like to know more about it, just give us a call at 478-988-0043, and we'll be glad to talk to you about that and get you set up. Thank you.